Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is I. I am representing from the DevRelCon Yokohama Conference Committee. So in this series of the video, we have been interviewing with each of the speaker of this conference. Today, I will be talking with Taiji, one of the speaker of this conference. Hi
Hi.
Taiji-san.
Hi, how are you doing?
How are you? Good. How are you?
Yeah, good, good. Thank you for asking. Well,
Yeah,
thank you for
it's been
having me.
Yeah, thanks for joining me today. You already did a couple of interview with speakers.
Mhm.
Also, we are very excited to have you as a speaker. As well as working with you as a conference organizer.
Mhm. Right, right. That's already exciting.
Yeah, how do you feel of this conference? Because it's been 3 years. The last time we
Mhm.
did the in-person conference, the DevRelCon
Mhm.
Tokyo 2019, that might be February, January. So yeah, it's gonna be a
Mhm.
couple of
Yeah.
years,
All
and
right, right. So,
we are finally back to in person. Yeah.
yeah, that's true. That's true. Though we were in the crazy COVID-19 situation, the recent maybe 2.5 years. So we had as you mentioned, we had just online conference for
Mm.
DevRelCon as DevRelCon Tokyo or something. Right, but
Mm.
finally, that we got to have the in-person DevRel
Mm.
conference. Also, that we have the different two conferences at the same time, right? That's why it's
Mm.
really exciting. Yeah.
Yeah, so at this time, we host two in-person conferences at the same time. One is the DevRelCon Yokohama, this one, and the World Japan. So that
Hmm.
might be our first, opportunity to host
Cool.
the two
Cool.
conference together. You're right. Yeah, so that's
Yeah.
our first opportunity. That might be very exciting. Yeah,
Cool. Right.
and yeah, many of like the people like who join the like online conference, um, but also they haven't joined the in-person conference, like double like in-person conference. So yeah, many of you, yeah, will be very
Right.
excited to join the conference and communicating each other, like sharing knowledge, experience.
That's true. That's true. I think so. Right.
Yeah. All right, so I think many of you already know Taiji-san, but maybe I will ask you with you know like just a quick like introduction of yourself, what you do, or what you have been doing, and like something you like outside of your job.
All right. Okay. Right.
Yeah.
So, therefore, just for audiences, because of I already know you with colleagues, the co-workers, for the community. Yeah, but for audiences, almost audiences, the first time to know me. So I'd like to introduce myself a little bit. So my name is Taiji Hagino. I work at Datadog as a senior technical advocate. In Datadog, it's the same meaning, the advocate and evangelist. I sometimes say I'm evangelist. Sometimes I say I'm advocate. It's the same meaning. Anyway, I'm really excited to work at Datadog as this role because of I am mainly recent 7 8 years involved in the developer relations work as sometimes technical evangelist, sometimes developer advocate, sometimes community manager. And my previous work at our systems, I was community manager. This work is mainly for focusing on the developer community, the for end users of the our systems. So I also worked as a developer advocate at our systems, but like a community manager, maybe 70 or 80% developer advocate, about 20%. So, but I'm software engineer background I have. So currently, I usually every day I can work with any technologies that making creating any demo application, demo environment, or sometimes I creating workshop contents materials or something. That's really exciting for me. So yeah, uh, in the other hand, I work for any community work without my main job, like a develop community or something. This is not my job. This is the community work. It's also important for me to improve myself. Yeah, I think. Right. But anyway, I'm happy to be as part of the speakers of this conference. All right. Thank you very much.
Yeah, thanks for sharing. So even like being the same, job title like developer, evangelist, or developer advocate, that might be that might be different to take some roles in the organization because you used to work as community manager as a as a evangelist developer advocate. On the other hand, like in the current organization, so you have been focusing more on your technical role, not move into community, and you are really focusing on developers, software engineers, right?
Yeah. That's true. That's true. So, for example, now I'm belong to the developer advocacy team. That this team is belong to the engineering team. It means I think that focusing on development and engineering or something, right? But for example, my previous work at our systems, develop team belong to the marketing team and product team and the marketing team. So more focusing on the customer or existing customer who already have licenses or something. That's a little bit different the layer of the users, I think. So and also my more previous work at IBM, I was belong to the developer advocate team. This team was belong to, I remember that maybe
Was it like
our
independent, like developer
yeah
relations team? Yeah.
yeah yeah, that's true. But IBM cases, I remember that the part of the R&D R&D
R&D.
section,
Ah.
yeah, research and development section. Yeah, but it's like a little bit task force,
Like
like
project,
task
like
force team or
developer
something. Yeah,
relations force, yeah, project.
you're
Yeah.
right. A little bit really specific. Yeah,
Sounds very interesting. Yeah.
yeah.
Because the role is quite depending on the organization, the org
Yeah, that's
chart.
true.
Yeah, which team the developer
Hmm.
relations team belongs to.
Yeah.
Yeah, so sometimes your marketing team and sometimes engineering organization.
Hmm.
Yeah, they're pros and cons, I guess. But yeah,
Right.
I think for the
Yeah.
pure validations, maybe like
Hmm.
engineering organization
Yeah.
will be better.
Yeah, I think so. I think so.
Yeah, to
Actually,
pursue
I
your
tried
career.
to.
Yeah.
Yeah. I actually I tried to fit me on the marketing guide, but it's a little bit. It was difficult for me.
Yeah, because you
Right.
used to work as a software
Yeah.
engineer, and yeah,
Yes. Right.
that would be better
Right.
to focus on
Hmm.
software engineers. But also, you have marketing background, so you can align with other departmental teams. That would be great.
Yeah. Hopefully, I think.
Just a bit of moving back to your career path. You have been working as a developer advocate for a long time, and you're
Hmm.
kind of a developer relations expert. Kind of a early adapter in Japan because you're the first speaker to have joined
Hmm.
the DevRelCon London was it 2017 or 18? 16?
2016.
Yeah,
2016.
16.
The first time for me.
So right. So Taiji-san joined the DevRelCon London in 2016 as a first speaker from Japan. All of the speaking session conducted in English. Yeah, and he pursued his career and some of the transition from that period. So I just wonder, how did you get into the developer relations?
Good question. Actually, the when I talked at DevRelCon London 2016, my role is just a software engineer that at R&D section of multi-knowledge industry. So my main work is the research and the development for mobile application and IoT agent solutions or something. Yeah, but I had the one any specific tasks the company said me that you should be personal people. Sorry, uh, uh, like you should get self branding the for outside of
You
the
should
company.
so you should behave like an individual. So this is not opinions from the company. Like you are just you representing from yourself, and all of the opinions are your own.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Uh, because the multi-knowledge industry is the system integrator. So system integrator is just a B2B company. So, of course, the existing clients and customer of that company, they already know what is multi-knowledge industry or how they work for multi-knowledge industry. But other companies didn't know uh, what is multi-knowledge industry, how can they work for creating enterprise system or making the own product or something. The almost people they know that. That's why the company wanted to have the like evangelist to speak and introduce and announce the outside of the company what is missing in the industry. The first case is that I assigned me that you should become like a technical evangelist of this company. Yeah. That's the start point for me to transit from the just a software developer to technical evangelist. That's why I tried to submit my proposal for DevRelCon London 2016, and uh, I I didn't think my
That
my proposal.
changed your
Yeah,
career.
So yeah, but I'm really surprised that my talk have been selected. I was really surprised. But it was good opportunity to make transition my career from software developer to developer advocate. I think I remember that.
Because as I remember that you recommend like engineers to become developer relations role as their second career or as their like next career.
Yeah. I talked about at maybe Develop Japan conference first time.
Develop Japan, yeah, that was
Yeah,
a
yeah,
Develop
yeah.
Japan keynote, yeah,
Yes. That's
topic
true.
from your talk, yeah.
Yes. Right. Right. So for this time, DevRelCon Yokohama 2023, I will be talking about including a little bit that kind of theme topics,
Mm.
and also I will talk about uh, developer community, purpose
Mm.
developer community, especially the specific situation. Sometimes we have no community manager inside of the
Mm.
company.
Mm.
Actually, Datadog has no community manager. So we, how should we accelerate developer community, user community,
Mm.
uh, having no community manager? So
Mm.
I believe that lots of people are interested in this topic because
Mm.
of the almost Japanese company has no community manager.
Yeah, because or like even they don't have like marketing teams. So yeah,
Yes, yes. Like
yeah.
how should I say? The parallel role. The main role
Mm.
is the marketing manager, but they also cover the community management, but just sub
Mm.
task or sub work or something. So
Mm.
just specific role as a community manager. I
Mm.
guess that lots of Japan company don't have
Mm.
specific community manager, I think.
Yeah.
Yeah. So it's this is important point difficulty to accelerate
Mm.
user community
Mm.
with no community manager. That's
Mm.
why I'd like to talk about
Mm.
any tips how to accelerate developer community, user community without
Mm.
community manager from my experience.
Mm. Sounds very exciting. And finally, that's gonna be uh, that's gonna be 3 years. Yeah, 3 years for the first time to host an in-person conference. Uh,
Hmm.
uh, do you want to say like any comments for like attendees and like other speakers
Hmm.
joining this conference?
Yes, yes, sure. Uh, Already I've mentioned you guys, so we were under the like a crazy situation with COVID-19 the recent 2 3 years. So lots of people, I believe that lots of people think it's already exciting to get back to the normal situation. That can have the in-person event or conference or something. From my just I think maybe end of the last year that we are getting back to have can attend the in-person conference. Also, I also attended some conferences as in person the last year. So
Mm. Yeah, I saw that
I yeah,
you did the CMX summit in San Francisco,
yes,
right? Yeah.
yes, yes, yes. Right. So I want to say the for our audiences, we hope this conference, the DevRelCon Yokohama and the Devel Japan conference this year,
Mm.
it become the kind of trigger to get back to attend in-person conference for everyone.
Mm.
Yeah,
Yeah, thank
we
you.
hope.
Yeah, there's some of the newcomers who haven't joined the Developer Relations Conference, and there's some of the people who already joined, but it's been a while, so everyone will be
Mhm.
very excited, and we are very excited to have you as a speaker in the conference and hearing some of the new tips from your experience.
Yeah, thanks.
Yeah, thank you so much, Taiji-san, today for joining me today. So for the general people, if you haven't registered this conference itself, um, um, fortunately, the conference ticket, the price of the conference ticket just has been decreasing. It's less expensive, so it might be a very good chance to get your CP. So don't miss this opportunity to join this conference. We are very looking forward to having all of you guys.
Yeah, let's enjoy this conference together.
Yeah, let's enjoy. Thank you.
Right, thank you.